Good morning, Rumi. Hello. Happy birthday. Ta-da! Your birthday gift.
Oh my god, Zoe. That's wonderful. Thank you for the gift and your wishes. Coming quickly.
Mira said to me that she will be a little late today. Haha, I knew it. Mira is still fussing over her pet dog whose fur is falling out at your house.
Rumi, my love, happy birthday to you.
Oh my god, my love. It's wonderful. Thank you for the gift and your wishes.
Huh?
Coming quickly.
Yummy.
Oh my god. Did I see it wrong? Or am I having a dizzy spell? Why did the cake, which was half eaten, grow a new piece? Why did it return to its original state? Hey Zoe, do you see it?
Yes.
What about you? Do you see it?
Yes.
Let's try one more time and see.
Oh my god, what's going on? The cake has been eaten twice. And not only is it not finished, but more cakes are growing. What should we do, Rumi?
Zoe, calm down. Listen to me. I think we have a way. We need to investigate and find out about this cake. But we have to wait for Mira to arrive. The three of us, me, you, and Mira, can work together. We need to keep this secret from my boyfriend. First, let him go home and wait for Mira to arrive.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Rumi, your younger sibling has arrived, so I'll leave first. Happy birthday.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great time.
What should I do now, Mira?
First, let me try the cake, and then we can shrink together. Okay. Just as I thought, to react to our hidden magic.
Wow, that's amazing.
Zoe, it's your turn to eat now. Eat up. Don't play with the pieces. We want to see how you looked as a kid. Zoe, don't be afraid. Eat quickly. Fine. Only you two will get to see how I looked when I was young. Oh, wow. Our baby Zoe is so adorable. Mira, let's go inside the cake. All right. Don't worry, Rumi. We'll be outside to support you. Whoa! Wow! It turns out that inside that birthday cake is a path to the Candy Kingdom. The children in front of the screen must really love this place, right? It's truly wonderful.
Ha ha ha! Hello to the adorable girl and the children watching. I am the king of this Candy Kingdom. How did you get here, little girl?
Is he really the king?
Yeah, that's right. I am the king of this place, but I am old now. I no longer have the strength to govern here, so I am looking for a suitable person to succeed the throne. If you have wandered here, let me show you around, and then I will take you back.
Thank you.
Let's go! This kingdom is wonderful. Here, I could eat candies all my life without running out. It truly is my childhood dream. But I have to go home now. Eating too much candy can cause cavities and isn't good for health. Kids, remember to take care of your health.
Oh, little cute child, do you want to become the king of this sweet Candy Kingdom?
Thank you, King. But I have to go home now. Thank you, and goodbye.
Oh, ho, 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 this little cat is so adorable. It's a pity. So what about the kids in front of the screen? Do you want to be the next king of this candy kingdom, huh?
Ha. Hello, everyone. Today I am hosting this party to find a beautiful life partner who is a perfect match for me.
Oh, handsome and wealthy young man, please help someone as poor as me. I'm very hungry. Please give me some food.
Ew, well, no. Where did this ugly, stinky old woman come from? Why is someone like her allowed into my party? Get out quickly.
Oh no! What the dog doing?
Oh, wow. So you're a fairy?
You are a mean-spirited person. When you meet someone who loves this ugly appearance, you will return to your old self.
Oh
Huh.
Oh, no. Please don't turn me into this. Please forgive me. With my ugliness, who could truly love me? Huh. Hey, are you okay, little girl?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let me help you. If you don't mind my ugliness, you can rest at my house for a while.
Yes!
Let's go.
This is my home.
Wow.
Amazing!
Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, Rumi, although I just met you for the first time, I really like you. If you don't mind my ugly appearance, would you be my girlfriend?
Nice.
What's going on?
Oh, wonderful. I am back to how I used to be. Thank you very much, Rumi. Thank you, my love.
Mom, wake up, Mom. Wake up and take me out to play. I want to go to the park.
Oh, today I have a day off from school. All right, then later we will go to the park to play with Zoe and her daughter. But first, we need to eat something.
Oh, yes, Mommy.
Oh my God, we've run out of ingredients. How can we cook now? First, we need to go shopping. Hey, boy, we've run out of ingredients. Let's go buy some supplies first. Then
we can go to the park to play.
Oh, yes, Mommy.
Oh my God! Wow! Yahoo!
Mom, come here. Not for you, son. You will get a sore throat. You must not do it. Absolutely not. Mom.
No! If you want to go out quickly, we need to finish buying the food first.
Yes!
Hey, how much do they sell this vegetable for here?
Everything is priced at $3 each.
This cabbage costs $3.
Yes!
That's too expensive. It should only be $2.
What?
No, it's not correct. It's only worth $1. I think you're still making a good profit with $1. If it's $1, I'll take more for you.
Okay.
Your total is $5 with $2 for the pumpkin.
It's only $4. That's what I said initially. Here's your money.
Huh?
Huh.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh no!
Huh?
Are the two of you okay?
Yes, Mom, we're fine. You go home first and watch TV. I'm bored of playing. Just stay and chat with Miss Zoe. Okay. Bye-bye. La la la. Oh my God, my little sister has run off somewhere. What are you saying? The girl is still playing on the swing. Oh my God, where is she?
Oh no!
Hey, girl. Robbie, where are you? Where are you? Where did you run off to, Robbie?
Huh?
Hey, little one, why are you crying? Why are you here alone? Are you lost? Let me take you to find your mother.
Hello there.
Oh my!
Are you the mother and child? I see it's lost and crying over there.
Mom.
Thank you very much.
Oh, it's nothing. It's something I should do.
Sorry, brother, for being a bit unreasonable with my shopping today.
Oh, it's nothing.